Selling real estate takes more than listing it. It needs to look its absolute best to attract buyers and maximize value. Thoughtful staging helps people imagine themselves living in or using the space, and that emotional connection is what drives stronger offers. This video is a brief overview of property staging. View to the end to see how you can get your free, comprehensive staging guide. Staging isn't just for homes. It's equally important for commercial properties, where layout, cleanliness, and functionality influence how buyers envision their business operating. Use this guide for both property types, keeping in mind that some recommendations apply more to residential spaces than commercial ones. Get your property market ready. Start with the essentials. Declutter and depersonalize. Remove personal items, simplify furnishings, and keep surfaces clean so the space feels open and neutral. Deep clean and maintain. A spotless property signals it's been well cared for. Address repairs and make sure windows shine. Optimize lighting by using natural light where possible. Update bulbs and brighten every area before photos or video. Commercial spaces should use daylight bulbs, 5,000 Kelvin, where possible. Stick to neutral colors. Soft, clean tones appeal to a wider range of buyers and create a professional backdrop. Boost curb appeal. Trim landscaping, refresh the entryway, and ensure the exterior makes a strong first impression. Create inviting, functional spaces. Arrange furniture or fixtures to highlight flow and usability, whether it's a living room or a commercial workspace. Appeal to the senses. Fresh scents, plants, and subtle details help buyers feel comfortable in the environment. Highlight key features. Showcase what makes the property stand out, from fireplaces and kitchens to conference rooms, natural light, or open floor plans. Tell a lifestyle or business story. Stage areas to show how they might be used, from cozy residential nooks to collaborative commercial workspaces. When you stage with intention, you create a property buyers can picture themselves in, and that leads to faster sales and stronger offers. If you want your listing to stand out in today's market, don't skip proper staging. Request your free comprehensive staging guide at www.gphotoarts.com/free-staging-guide, or contact us at john@jgphotoarts.com. Also, be sure to check out our full suite of services designed for professionals and businesses at www.jgphotoarts.com.